So I got my SHANY gift set. This is the boxing. Sorry, I've already opened it. But this is the boxing. And, oh my god, I love it. So first thing I seen was these, which it is Warm Wishes 12-piece lipstick set. So far, I like the packaging. It shows me very much good detail. I didn't really look at the colors yet. Then I got this. It's a classy and sassy all-in-one makeup kit. Eyeshadows, blush, lipstick, all that good stuff. It's the packaging. They made sure everything is sealed. Whoops. Eyeshadow, more eyeshadow, and I love eyeshadow, and I love warm colors. I love smoky eye colors, all of that. I'm not sure what these are, but I like them. I'll use them for when I do nails and stuff like that. So I definitely like them. And I like that they're pink. So this is I haven't opened this one yet, so I'm going to save it for my YouTube review. But it's bubble wrapped, and it is eyeshadow. Can't really see. This is an applicator bottle. Sorry, you guys, I'm in my room in the bed still. Oh. Comes with eyelashes. I think these are bottom lashes. And if they are, oh my god, I'm so happy because they're bottom lashes, I think. Yes, well, I'm going to use them as bottom lashes. Some more eyelashes. And they say SHANY on them. This is set 01-4. I like them. And these are blotting papers for face and eye and lip. I have a few of these. They give me a few of these. Now this, let's get to this one. Get it off the box. There we go. This right here, I could not wait to get. Oh my god. Okay, so this is contour, foundation, concealer, and blush all in one, and it is very heavy. Okay, so they have to have it separated. So cream concealer, color correction, foundation, cream contour and highlight, powder contour and highlight, and powder blush. Can't wait to put this on my face. I'll wait for the YouTube video. Then they know I love some brushes. So these are the brushes, which I was actually on Amazon about to order me some because I needed more. But guess what? I don't have to because they sent them some. Well, they sent me some, so awesome for that. Then some more applicator bottles. See, and I like that they're like a pinkish purple, one of my favorite colors. Push Top Liquid Dispenser, pack of 3, BPA free. And this comes with a thank you card. It shows you where you leave your review, follow the instructions, get a free gift. So if you leave a review, a good review, you get a free gift. You have to leave your order number, your review URL, and stuff. And this right here is a sharpener. I already opened it because I didn't know what it was. But it is a sharpener and stuff. So this is very awesome. I'm definitely satisfied. Thank you, SHANY.